Hello everyone, welcome back to the solutions for the ACET 2024 December paper math section. We're at questions 9 to 20. This is the last two questions from the math section. After this you have the stat section. Okay, so question 19 and 20 both are on complex numbers. So question 19 says if a complex number satisfies the condition z minus 20 equal to 24, then z lies on. So even if you are not that comfortable with complex geometry, you can just put the values and check here. So let z equal to x plus iy. So sorry, let's z equal to, then what do you have? You have x plus iy minus 20 equal to 24, right? What does this mean? This means x minus 20 plus iy equal to 24, which means x minus 20 whole square. Okay, so you have that plus y square is equal to 24 square. Okay, now what is this? You know that x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square is a circle, right? With center alpha comma beta and radius equal to r. So if you compare that, what would you get? If you compare that, you will get center to be 20 comma 0 and radius equal to 24 units. Match the options. Circle with center at 20 0 and radius 24, option B. Okay, very simple. Instead of looking for complex geometry, you can do it this way. But if you understand complex geometry, then this is quite easy, right? Z minus 20 equal to 24 means that you are making a circle around the point 20 with a radius of 24. Okay, so that should give you the answer from there. If you are not comfortable with it, you can expand it out and look into the principles of coordinate geometry to give you the answer. Next, if omega is the non-real cube root of, okay, the omega is basically cube root of unity. So what are the properties there? We have omega cube equal to minus 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, right? Now this series goes on till omega to the power 2024, right? How many terms are there? There are 2025 terms because it starts from omega to the power 0, isn't it? So 0 to 2 to 4, 2024 is 2025 terms. So here terms equal to 2025, right? So how can we group them? I can have 1 plus omega square. This is 0, right? Now if I take omega square common from, okay, before taking common I'll show you the next terms. Omega cube plus omega to the power 4 plus omega to the power 5 plus omega to the power 6, so on till omega to the power 2024. Now these can be written as omega square common, no, I can take omega cube common and 1 plus omega square, right? Then from the next ones I can take omega to the power 6 common and then I will have 1 plus omega square. So what do we observe? We observe that all triplets, like 3 terms together, give you 0. The first 3 terms give you 0, the next 3 terms give you 0, the 3 terms after that would give you 0. So is 2025 divisible by 3? That would mean there are all triplets or some values remain. So 2 plus 2, 4, 5, yes. So that means there will be how many triplets? 2025 by 3 will give you 6, 7, 5. 675 triplets. All of these 675 triplets will give you the value 0. So if you add 0 675 times, you will get 0. Okay, option C. Again, two very easy questions from complex numbers. So if you are used to complex numbers, these should be child's play for you. Okay, so if you need any help in revising these portions, do not hesitate to contact the numbers given on the banner. The mobile number you see has WhatsApp enabled onto it, so you can just drop a message and our team will get back to you. You could also send an email to the email ID that is given here. If you have any comment session or feedback for this video, do not hesitate to use the comment section on YouTube. The description for this video on YouTube will also contain important links to our institute as well as some details about the exam itself. So you can also gather the information from there and drop us a message. Feel free to contact us for any help that you might need academically. We will try our best to provide you with that help. With that being said, I'll end this video and the series here because I covered the mathematics portion and I have done it. So maybe other members of our team will create videos for the other sections, the stat section and the DI section, or if I have enough time to study the portions and get back to you, then I will do that. In any case, this is the last video for this series, so thank you all for tuning in and I hope to see you all in a different one. Bye, take care.